Ever seen a construction site turn into a disaster zone? Get ready for jaw-dropping accidents you won't believe. Heavy machines, big mistakes, and chaotic moments. Watch these construction fails that'll leave you stunned.
This is what happens when you spread fine gravel over mud, a stuck compactor. The operator probably activated the vibration, and due to the unstable and muddy ground, the compactor started sinking into the mud, threatening tipping over to the right side. Let's watch the rescue operation. Again, a lot of lost time and additional costs. Yep, it happens all the time during the rainy season. The soft ground gets soaked with water, and a loaded truck just sinks. Let's see how the rescue operation went. It's lucky that this Komatsu weighs 100 tons. Imagine if the Caterpillar 797F got stuck instead. Here's why crane operators are considered one of the most dangerous jobs. This is what a diesel engine with nitrous sounds like. So, what happened here? A typical human error. Why? Because the engineers didn't account for the weight of the boom, arm, and bucket, which is about 20% of the excavator's weight. It's natural for the excavator to lean towards the heavier side, leading to tipping over and inevitable disaster. This truck driver knows in advance what will happen. I must admit, that's a nice move by the operator.
From trucks tipping over to cranes collapsing, it's a wild ride of dangerous mistakes and unexpected chaos.
This happened in Bosnia near the city of Mostar. The accident occurred due to unprofessional blasting in the quarry, causing a large part of the hill to slide down into the river. Apart from material damage, there were no casualties. 2 people were slightly injured, and 3 cars were damaged, 2 buried, and 1 car ended up in the river. They were lucky that the crane didn't fall to the right side. Yeah, that means, oh no! It's so cool to watch a rock in the size of a minivan falling into a 400-meter deep hole. Lucky for him, he bailed out right in time. When a machine like this gets stuck to the point where it can't help itself, then it's really in big trouble. This Runmax backhoe got stuck so deep in the mud that its front wheels aren't even visible. But why? Well, the answer is simple: small front wheels. I would be very grateful if someone would explain to me why these dozers go in reverse on such a slope. I don't know what this compactor was doing to end up in such a situation, but the boss seems satisfied with the job since he's applauding. Just kidding. Tough situation for these guys. For this incident, there are two explanations: poor judgment of the load or strong wind. Since I don't see any wind blowing, I would say it's human error. What do you think? What went wrong? This is a very tough situation for the truck driver. A friendly piece of advice: stop looking at your mobile phone and watch the road. It seems that the blasting technicians put in a little bit more explosives than they should. Luckily, the material was fine and powdery, so it didn't damage the excavator. This is the worst-case scenario for any vehicle in a mine. The brake pads on this Belaz truck got stuck on the disc, and due to the high friction, the discs caught fire. Here's what it looks like from the inside. Now imagine when this box catches fire with all the cables and wire installations inside. It looks like an oven. Actually, it looks like this. Luckily, with the quick reaction of the workers, they managed to extinguish the fire. Well guys, we've reached the end of our video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time, bye and stay safe. This bulldozer operator must have been working near a soft edge when it collapsed. He was trying to pull the machine back somehow, but the more he tried, the more he slipped down the cliff. You can see the end result. Fortunately, the operator was not seriously injured. He was lucky that the dozer didn't fall on him. Sticking with dozers, this guy had more luck than his previous colleague. But for me, it's a rookie mistake. You can't walk just like that into the mud with a dozer thinking you can do everything. Anyway, let's see if he'll make it.
Thanks for watching. Tell us which fail shocked you the most, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more crazy moments.
In the end, he made it, but only with the help of an excavator. Such mistakes lead to loss of time and additional costs. 2 explanations, scrapeyard or revenge.